Morning, guys. It's the next day. I had a really nice dream, actually. But oh my gosh, you can't beat this view. Like, what the heck? How do I deserve to see this? What the heck? No way this is real. Oh my gosh.
Hang on, stand down. This is picture perfection. With that cloud in the background.
This is beautiful. You guys don't even know what it looks like in person.
Oh my, missed the shot.
It looks
orange. Bro, there's like, I'm getting like, in the front of the lobby, I'm getting like Bali vibes with the birds and the trees and stuff.
You are?
Yeah, wanna go see? What I'm talking about? Like right outside our door.
Yeah.
This is crazy, right? I've never seen that face before. It's hot though.
How is this possible? I'm not even wearing glasses. I can't see anything.
Put them on, bro. You know what's the craziest that? You know what crazy thing I was thinking of? This is not even the best part. Heaven is. Like heaven.
That's what I was thinking.
Like Earth's best is heaven's worst. Like it doesn't even have it. Like you think this is like the best view, which I think the best view of my life picture-wise is probably this. This is nothing compared to heaven. Isn't that crazy?
I can't even imagine that in my mind.
I can't think straight with that. Look at this. I just keep recording it. This is so nice.
This is not real. This is. I can't process this right now.
Alright, Chris, I'm gonna change to like, don't come in here, okay? Don't
Okay.
tell it to come in here, boy, or I will spank it to you.
Oh.
What are the lights?
It's the second time he says that. He just did it for camera. But that was so funny. What the frick?
Let's go swim. Alright, let's go.
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
I gotta go.
This is oh, it's so warm.
Yeah.
It's the first time I've ever been in the ocean.
Alright, go in. Let's go. Let's go, Chris. Oh my god.
What? Salty.
It is very salty. Your phone got kind of wet.
I'm so scared of
Your phone, it's just like the screen and stuff. How do you feel?
So warm.
This is the ocean, Chris.
So
Stingray!
what? Yeah.
Went down the hole.
See. Hey, bud. How's it going? How you doing? Hey, man.
That was pretty cool.
there's a sign for an iguana somewhere back over there. But then, yeah, finally got to just happen to see it. It's pretty cool.
It's quite nice. You got a very nice camera, Chris. And we're currently in our hotel. I don't know how dark it is. It's pretty dark out, but that looks pretty sick. I love this lens. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this away and put this in the vlog, please.
Alright, I got some pretty bad sunburn today. You can't see it on my arms, but it's you can see just by that snippet. Sunburn is pretty bad. But we're actually gonna be heading to dinner. There was a wedding going on down there. It was cool to watch. But we're gonna be going down to dinner. We were out right here pretty much the whole day. Oh, butterfly. It's cool. Yeah, I can't get over this view still. But we're gonna be heading to dinner. Gonna bring you guys with. The lens is really foggy right now. So is the mirror, because originally it's air conditioning. Then we opened this, and then all the hot air. So it's just the adjustment. So it's interesting, but very relaxing, and also like great day overall. Yeah, it's Sunday. Got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday leaving. It's just awesome. It's just awesome.
We're gonna be here overnight.
Starters and salads. Okay. Alemanes, una fragancia. Are you getting a shot of it? We were over here at 8.
Wow. There are the mountains over there.
Everything. That's why I like
How are you feeling right now?
tired, but I still have a lot to do. I got about 5 hours left of gas still in me before I get back now. So
We're gonna eat until we drop today. That's for sure.
I have to go home. What time is it?
8:59.
After this, I have to go. I have to do today at 12.
I wanna go back to the cafe. How about you, Chris?
At 10 a.m.
How am I feeling? Thanks for asking. I'm honestly pretty good. Chris is watching me vlog myself, guys. Oh wow, somebody asked. I'm good, guys. It's a pretty nice day. Yeah, like I really don't know. I don't know. I look like a bug. Yeah, we're just here right now. We're about to eat. I ordered 2 different types of pastas and a pizza, so I'm excited to eat that. But yeah, Chris is gonna delete all this footage, but if it makes it into any YouTube video, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials. He'll put them in the description below. I'm single, by the way. Okay, bye.